Introducing Airborn's Industrial Series, based on mil-spec, built for industrial. Both Power Amp and IW series resist high vibration and shock, are RoHS compliant, and withstand extreme temperatures. Power Amp, rated up to 23 amps per contact. Connector options include plated through hole and solder cup. IW series, rated up to 5 amps per contact. Solder cup. Vertical or right angle plated through hole. And crimp removable. At Airborn, we can customize standard configurations to meet your needs. IW series, signal and low power applications. Power Amp, mid to high power applications. Versi, high density, high speed applications. High temperature micro and nano D temperature sensitive applications. Airborn. Let's go to work.